Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shweta and I hope you are doing great. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I created this party makeup look, and trust me you all guys, it's super easy to recreate. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna tie my hair at the back so that they don't poke me while I'll be doing my makeup. And I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I'm gonna take a little bit of primer at the back of my hand. The primer I'm using is by Nykaa. I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. You just need to take a little amount of the product and you just have to spread it all over your eyelids. Okay, so now I'll be using a concealer and I'm gonna blend it with the help of a brush. I'm gonna apply a thin layer just to create a blank canvas for my eye makeup. The concealer I'm using here is by Maybelline, and you can use any concealer according to your own wish. Now I'm gonna set everything with the help of this compact powder, which is by Nykaa. This is the palette by Swiss Beauty, from which I am taking the blush shade that I showed to you. This is going to be our transition shade. I will cover my eyelids with the same color using the brush from Real Techniques. You have to blend it until you feel like you are good to go for the other shade. And this is how my eyes are looking. Then here I am trying to cut my crease using a flat brush and the concealer, which is by Maybelline. I am doing a half cut crease here. You have to take a little amount of the product on the flat brush and try not to go over the board. You can use more or less of the product according to your wish, or you can even skip this step if you don't feel like having the effect of a cut crease. Coming to the other colors, for which I'll be using this palette, Hated with Love by SFR Color. I am taking this brown shade that I just showed to you, and I will just take it on my brush and will dust off the excess. You have to apply it on the outer V and blend it properly. I am doing this just to give a 3D effect to the eyes. You have to do it on both the eyes, but just make sure you have to keep the brown color on the outer V only. And now I'm just going to take this glitter, and with the help of a flat brush I'm going to apply it on the inner V of my eyes. Just make sure you have to cover the whole space that is left. Now I'm taking this deeper brown shade and I will just try to give more depth to my eyes. With this shade also, you have to work on the outer V only, and you have to try not to go over the board. Just keep in mind to deposit the color, like dab the color on the outer V and then start blending it. And at last, just take a fluffy brush and start blending everything in so that there will be no harsh lines. Now applying this white kajal on my waterline, and this kajal is also by Swiss Beauty. Now applying mascara on my eyelashes. This step is my personal favorite. I love grooming my eyelashes. Mascara highlights your eyes and makes your features pop. I applied eyeliner and did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want me to make a video on how to apply eyeliner, do let me know in the comment box. And now coming to the face. So first I'm gonna apply primer, and here I'm applying the primer which is by Nykaa. I'm gonna take a little amount on my hands, will rub it between my fingers, and then I'm gently gonna dab it into my skin. Next I'm gonna apply a concealer, and here I am using the concealer which is by Maybelline. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, forehead, nose, chin and on my spots, and then I'm gonna blend it using a wet sponge. And then I'm using this Skin Shield foundation which is also by Nykaa, and I'm gonna blend it with the help of a wet sponge. Make sure to apply some of the foundation on your neck and on your ears also. And now it's the time to set everything at place. So I'm using this compact which is by Nykaa, and I'm just gonna dab my brush into the pan and will apply it all over my face. You can skip applying all over the face if you have dry skin. And now I'm trying to contour my face with the help of the darkest color in the palette which is by Swiss Beauty. Start contouring from your hairline so that it looks natural. Contouring is basically creating effect of shadow on your face. It helps enhancing the shape of your face and adding dimensions to your face. I am gonna apply some of it on my forehead as well. Blush time now. Apply it on your cheeks, nose and chin. It's gonna add a flush of color to your cheeks and will give more life to your face. Now set everything using a makeup fixer. This is by Faces Canada. You can wait for it to dry, or you can do whatever I'm doing here. I have taken a sponge and I'm dabbing it all over just to make sure to set everything at place. And now apply highlighter on the highest points of your face, like cheekbones, tip of the nose, under your eyebrows, etc. etc. Okay, so lip color now. Here I will be mixing two shades. First is a crayon by Lakme, and I will top it up with the help of a nude shade which is by Maybelline. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. It looks beautiful and is party appropriate. Give this makeup look a try, and if you try this makeup look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Okay, so later I thought of changing the lip color, and here I've applied this lip color which is by Lakme. I will put everything in the description box, so if you feel like purchasing anything that you liked in this video, then you can use the links mentioned in the description box. that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you really enjoyed watching it, then do give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the comment box if you have any suggestions for the next video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.